Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log out of your HyperPay wallet application. Logging out or signing out of HyperPay is a straightforward process. First of all, launch open the HyperPay application on your mobile device, and then from the home page, click on your human icon located at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on your username at the top of the screen. This will then take you to your profile section where you'll need to tap on log out at the very bottom of the screen. Confirm the login out option by tapping on log out once again, and you will then be able to log out of your HyperPay account. If you want to sign in again, you will need to click on the please log in first button and then enter your email or your phone number followed by your password to sign into HyperPay again. So that's how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.